Okay guys, let's bring you down my wonderful row of Camrys. We have Illuminati that is no longer Illuminati. V6 manual Solera, Toyota Avalon, V6 automatic Solera, V6 Lexus, 4-cylinder Camry. What happened here? Where did this car go? This spot right here was for garbage. Garbage has been a Camry that has been here for years. And it seemed to have gone missing. So we call garbage because the car is goddamn garbage. It has had a very rough life. So we have a new show coming up and we decided to pull out garbage and bring it into the shop. So let's go check out the shape of this car. So this is the elusive garbage. So I think you guys can see how long this has actually been sitting in my yard. That like the rim is rotting away on it. But what kind of condition is this car in? Well, I've already been working on it a bit. I'm sorry guys, I started the car without you. But I got the entirety of the interior of this thing pretty much cleaned out. And it was disgusting. There was so many problems with the inside of this that it was unbelievable. Like I'm talking like beer cans. Oh, I don't want to say used condoms, but I'm pretty sure there was maybe 1 or 2 of them in here. Dirty cigarette butts, parking tickets, everything you can think of. Does it run? I have no idea. We tried starting this car 2 years ago and it didn't start. I think the gas tank is full of water. So some of the things that we have to do to this thing is get the whole back end set up. We have to go up to the front end. Both of these struts have broken springs, so we're going to replace those. I have to look at the rules. I think we're allowed to put an 80s bumper on it and go from there. So am I going to see if this thing starts to run? Or do you think that I'm going to see it? Do you think I'm going to make sure this thing runs before I start building it? Nope. I don't really care. I know eventually it will run. I don't know if it's going to have... Oh, some of these bottles might be in my way. I don't really know if we're going to have to swap the motor on it or do anything like that, but we'll have to do something to get it going. If it needs a new motor, it needs a new motor. Not 100% sure. So usually I ask you guys to help me name these cars. Unfortunately, this one already has a really good name, and it's garbage. Because it is garbage. Not garbage, garbage. And how do I know it's called garbage? I'll show you that in a minute. But like, the intake is filled with mouses. The whole underneath side of here is prime mice real estate. And I think it's going to be a lot to get this thing back up and running. But before we let you go on this one, maybe I'll do a little bit more stripping for it. But I'll show you why we call it garbage. So not only do we call this car garbage because it was filled with garbage, it's actually called garbage. So, yep, I think the name of this thing's gonna stick. So we're probably gonna take out the back window, the gas tank, the exhaust system. I still have that glass in my hand. And we're gonna get this thing pretty much all torn down, front end all torn down out of it. And that'll probably be the end of today's video on this. So I guess it's time to bust some windshields out. So what do we need? We need hammer and sawzall. So we got all the tools we need for the job. Turns out we don't need the hammer. I still think we need the hammer. So, I don't really have any safety glasses sitting around today, so we're just gonna squint really good. Okay. Oh, so it's half out. Just so you guys know, I didn't speed that up. That's regular speed. Better pull my pants up for this side. All right, so that was pretty quick. Okay. It's just get underneath it and it starts going. The hard part's getting underneath it. They make specialty tools for like your sawzalls now to do this. But I honestly don't even think my sawzall would run it. How big a piece of junk it is. That little drop just broke the blade off again. This car smells like mouthpiece so bad. There. Entire windshield's out. Now we can move to the back one. There we go. Oh. These back windows are a lot tougher than they look. Sometimes you really gotta show them who's boss. So we're back here with our shitty Amazon blades. So what I like to do is I like to come in, the original pass, try to come in on a bit of an angle. Get underneath the window, and you can just come in. There's some hard parts. And there we go. Back window's out. Now we just have to vacuum up. I did bleed a little bit, so you guys know there's a little bit of blood. But we'll get this vacuumed up now.